This week's test also supports the statewide tornado drill for Severe Weather Awareness Week in Iowa. Ordinary weekly tests of this alarm system are conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. Again, this is only a test. As part of this week's special test tornado drill for the state of Iowa, dispatchers are encouraged to fan out this message to test emergency communication capabilities. Spotters are encouraged to practice activation procedures. All schools, businesses, hospitals, law enforcement, and other agencies in Iowa are urged to test severe weather emergency communications and sheltering plans. This concludes our weekly test and the statewide tornado drill for Iowa. We now return to normal programming.